G-Shock! We got G-Shock!
Pangalan mo, G-Shock?
Oo, baka na G-Shock! G-Shock! Guys, seryoso to. We need 5 battlers. 5 people.
Kahit sino. Kahit di kayo battler. Kahit sino, 5.
Pwede daw ba si Gunter?
Yeah.
Pwede.
Ay, may G-Shock.
Yeah.
Kahit sino, kahit di kayo battler. Kahit sino.
G-Shock.
Dali, 5 lang. 1, 2. Tatlo na lang.
Liga. Bata daw, bata.
Patay ka.
Patay ka. So we got 1,
1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Sino pa? Uy! Ano yan? Mga batter.
4. Isa na, 4?
Ano yan?
Isa na lang.
na lang.
5? Oh guys, meron na tayong 5. Okay.
Ito yung wala, coach. What's your name?
May 5 na tayo. Juan Carlos.
One card.
Roxy.
Okay. Mina.
Hello y'all, I'm KIMJ, Kim J.
Kim J.
My name is Lou from Cebu.
Yan. Humarap kayo. Okay guys, give it up for them. Ayan, pwede na kayo umuwi. Joke lang. So coach, paano mangyayari to?
So ganito, simple lang yung mechanics, no?
Simple ng mechanics natin.
Simple lang mechanics natin. Ubuksan ko na yung G-Shock. So ito yung mapapanalunan nyo. Okay?
Oh man.
Ang contest, ganito. Sasayaw kayo, tapos ang prop niyo yung relo. So pagandahan na gamitin yung relo in a freestyle. Yeah? 1 minute. So, bawat isa sa inyo, isusuot ko when you have to dance, right? Tapos kung sino yung pinakamaganda na freestyle, kanya yung relo. Okay? Tapos yung crowd yung magdi-decide.
Crowd will decide. Crowd will decide.
Yes?
Pag nasira, wala. Pag nasira, bayad.
Hindi masisira, G-Shock.
Pag nasira, bayad ha.
Hindi masisira,
Pag
G-Shock.
nasira, bayad ha. Bayad ha.
Suot. Ay, yeah, I mean, you can wear it, you can do whatever you want with it. Basta ito yung prop nyo.
Oh.
Pwedeng suot nyo siya, pwedeng hindi nyo siya suot. Basta pagalingan.
Pagalingan.
Basta
Okay.
kailangan yung freestyle nyo, center dito sa relo. Yes, sa G-Shock. Yeah? Okay,
So we got DJ Ayan, no?
si Ayan na yun. Yes.
So ayan, magpapalit tayo ng music. Kada ano. Ikaw na
Yes.
bahala. Yeah.
Yeah? Tapos you call the minute.
Yeah, okay.
Sino una?
Sino muna? Where's my timer at? Where's my timer? Timer. Nasa yung timer ko. Nawala yung timer ko. Sige, ako na magta-time.
Meron tayong timer eh. Ayun o.
Oo nga.
45
Kaya
seconds.
G-Shock.
May G-Shock timer tayo.
Oo nga.
Okay.
G-Shock timer tayo. So we got 1 minute. Who wants to go first? Guys, tingin naman na energy. Bigyan na naman sila energy. Yes, sir. So our first battler. You know what to do. Crowd will decide. Yan, sige. Patapusin natin yung pagsuot mo. Tulungan na kita, sige. Grabe ang dami mong HHI banda. Okay ka na dyan? Oh my gosh, ang haba. Can I just say Lou? Guys, give it up for Lou! 1 minute, DJ Ayan, buddy, let's go!
O niño chico, porra!
1 minute!
O niño ya llegó a todas desde no nací. Cadê as proposuras fazem tudo?
Let's go!
O niño ya llegó a todas desde no nací. Cadê as proposuras fazem tudo? Padrinho, esse é o chão, esse é o bonde do Brunão. Esse é o chão,
Sige, pangalawa. Aba, nagturuan. We got Doxin. Mga crampers, support na tayo. Para manalo sa sariling atin. DJ Anne-Marie, you know what to do. Doxin.
You disrespect Pop nigga. I think that Oakland show will be on that
Timer,
stop,
timer.
nigga. They gon' let you disrespect Pop nigga. I think that Oakland show will be on
Let's
that
go.
stop, nigga. They not like us.
Oh.
They not like us. They not
Let's
like
go.
us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Ooh.
They not like us. 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 They OVO.
Oh, hee-haw.
They step this way. Step that way. They step this way. Step that way. They OVO.
Yes.
Step this way. Step that way. They step this way. Step that way. That fucking move. I'ma do my stuff. That fucking move. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us.
Let's go.
They not like us. They not like us. They not
And
like us.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give it up for Doxin. Sino na? Ikaw na? Guys, we got JC. Give it up for JC. We give it up for JC. JC, you know what to do. DJ AL, timer, 1 minute. Let's go, baby.
Everybody in the club know what's up. What's a while you twerk? Go ahead and start. What's a while you twerk?
Yes, yes, yes. Go for the B-boys, baby.
It's on you, shout it, you can twerk in the skirt if you want to. See, we can't keep it pumping for you all night. For the dub in the club, show me what I like. We made money in the club. Them brothers like to take it off for a thug. You can't come with nothing less than a dub. I'm just looking at your hands like a screw. Them brothers like to win it when you're so in love. And see you show you what you really made of.
Yes, let's go.
Wouldn't get enough. Tell them pop that shit, drop that shit. Everybody in the club know what's up. What's a ride?
And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give it up for JC. Medyo madaya sila eh, no? Hindi nila kino-concept. Sinosot lang nila, tapos sumasayaw sila eh, no? Madaya, madaya. Ay, joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang? Concept yun. Concept yun eh. Oo nga, oo nga, oo nga, oo nga. Next up, we got Peanut. Guys, give some noise for Peanut. Talaga baka give some noise for... DJ Anne-Marie, you know what to do. 1 minute.
Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar.
Yes.
Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar.
Oh.
Sugar, sugar, you're my sugar, sugar. Honey, make my heart skip a beat.
not the least, the only rose in the thorns. Kim J. We got Kim J. Guys, make some noise for Kim J. Uy, seryoso ba? Wala kang kausap? Make some noise for Kim J. Ititigil ko to. Ititigil ko talaga to. Yan. Kukulit nyo ako eh. Kim J, come on, let's go. Ay, uy, grabe, concepted to. Ay, let's go.
Story for ya. But the ladies, hey, sing it with me.
Ay,
I fell in love with the DJ, sneaking round the back door, banging till we hear somebody say ooh ooh ooh. I fell in love with the DJ, getting intoxicated every weekend. He make my heart go ooh ooh ooh. Walked into the club with my partner, then saying hello to everyone there. Look to my right, Mr. DJ, blew me a kiss, a trip, and I fell. He called me over knowing that I'm taken. So I went over thinking he's just a friend. One thing led to another. My boyfriend put two and two together. I fell in love with the DJ, sneaking round the back door, banging till we hear somebody say ooh ooh ooh. I fell in love with the
and
DJ.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Sino kaya mananalo sa ating G-Shock? You decide. Liga dito. So we got Lou, Doxin, JC, Peanut, and Kim J. Ayan. Whoever you want, make some noise ha kung sino gusto nyo. Uy, wala pa. Relax lang. Now, who's voting for Lou? Medyo malakas. We got Doxin. We got JC. Dino ngayon. We got Peanut. Uy, grabe naman kayo. We got Kim J. So, klaro. Kim J. There you go. Tingnan natin yung box. Asan yung box? Yan. Can we have a photo op? Thank you guys. Guys, again, give it up for Kim J.
Ay, sorry pare. Anong ngalan? Magkonti na lang.
Okay. Now, who's ready to know our top 16? Uy, isip tayo. Nakakainis ka yung crowd na. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Now, before anything else, can I call on our judges, Aphrodite, James Wong, and Reflex? Galit ka na naman sa akin. Hindi. Kasi ayaw nila mag-ingay. Guys, give it up for our judges.
Yeah!
Before I proceed to the top 16, we have a three-way battle. Yes, uy, may mga bata. So we got a three-way battle for our last spot for the top 16. Can I call on C Nasty, Charles? C Nasty, where you at, bro? Let's go. C Nasty. We got Isa.
Backward mo ah.
Isa.
Mamaya pag-start
Yun,
na
oh.
sa testing.
Palto ka na, pre, ah. Sinalo ka kanina. Let's go. And we got Yanni. Where's bigger Yanni at? How's Yanni?
Let's go, Diani.
Yan. Battlers, ingat kayo ha, kasi medyo nakakagulan eh. Yung mga gramper, huwag daw mag-stop. Uy, bakit ka naman ang mga yung gramper? Sige. So who will decide? Kentan mo na, no? Kentan mo na. Yeah? So we'll have 45 seconds. 45 seconds each. T-Nasty, 45 seconds. Yanni, Isa, 45 seconds. Where's my timer at? Can I get my timer? Care of G-Shock. Please. Who wants to go first? Pero mo ng bote. Okay. Sobrang galing mo ah. Kerry, who goes first? Isa pa. Hello. Okay, Yanni goes first. Wala yan sa'yo, Yanni. Isa pa, hello. And we got T-Nest. Isa goes fast. Okay. Kanina ba?
Sa lessons, study din yan.
We got Yanni going first. The last spot for the T-Nasty going first. Last spot for the top 15. DJ AM, you know what to do. Spin that shit. Yes. No. T-Nasty. Yanni muna. Let's go, Yanni. Bigger Yanni. Deduction, 0.05. Ano yun? Ano ginawa? Not-secured accessories. 0.05. I-orient nito sa rules and regulations ha. I-orient nito sa rules and regulations. Deduction, Meg, not intact. Wala. Now, who's moving on to our top 16? Voting? Oo, pag-uusapan nila. Pag-uusapan nila kayo. usapan.
Sobrang lapit na kasi, oh.
Guys, lay down lang ako ng rules ha, para sa mga bago dito. No? Pag sinabi kong make some noise, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Magingay!
Ano, manahimik ba? Manahimik? Hindi, ha? Pag sinabi kong make some noise, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Magingay!
Yan. Pag sinabi kong make some noise, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yan. Pag sinabi kong make some noise, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yan, no? Di ba? Para hindi tayo dito. Ito niya, mawawala na ako ng boses ko. Okay na kaya? Ay, ulit. Huwag trademark ni Dono. Game na. Sorry. Pwede tayo mapataga na singko dito. Okay. Judge decision. Binigay niyo sa akin yung mic eh. Wala kang judge decision in 3, 2, 1. Uy, sige. Oh, Yani moves on. Thank you, Isa. Thank you, C. Nasty. Hoy, palakpakan naman natin.
Yeah!
Magaling ba kayo? Yan.
Paano ito buksan ito?
Long press ko lang.
Okay, before I announce the top 16, so here's the rules. Okay, isang beses lang tayo pwede mag-tie. Okay, traditionally, kung paano natin ginagawa. 30 seconds, one tie, tapos point system. Ibig sabihin po, pag may isa kang vote, yun na yung panalo. Okay? Okay tayo doon?
Yeah!
Okay tayo doon?
Yeah!
Ang hirap yung pasayahin. Okay, wait. Alright, for our first battle. Oh, okay, game. We got Cantor in the building. Make some noise for Cantor. Hi, Dong Magingan!
Pwede pa usog po dito. Kasi ang ito sa amin.
For first battlers, we
Usog lang
have
po, ate.
Ping and Funky Style. And we have Ping on the left and Funky Style. Let's go. And we have
Usog lang po.
How's Ping?
Where are you, Ping? Ubilang kami pag wala pa kayo.
Ping Soriano.
Ping, let's go, Ping!
Ping Soriano.
Ano ba to? Ping! Ganito ha, pag tinawag kayo, wala pa kayo dito in 5 seconds, inaraffle namin yung snap. Okay, let's go!
Kasi ayaw mas mula ni Jensman.